10-Step Guide to Gold IRA Rollover with top-rated gold IRA companies for $80,000 investment. Retirement planning is crucial, and a gold IRA can be a smart way to protect your wealth. If you're considering investing $80,000, here's a straightforward guide to help you roll over your funds into a gold IRA. 1. What is a gold IRA rollover? It involves transferring funds from an existing retirement account, like a 401k, into a gold IRA to diversify your portfolio. 2. Why invest in gold? Gold is known for its stability and ability to hedge against inflation, making it a wise choice for retirement. 3. IRS rules matter. Follow IRS regulations on eligible metals, storage, and distributions to avoid penalties. 4. Choose a custodian. A custodian will manage your gold IRA, ensuring compliance with IRS standards. 5. Research gold IRA companies. Look for companies with good reputations, transparent fees, and excellent customer service. 6. Top gold IRA companies. Augusta Precious Metals, known for customer education and transparency. 7. Start the rollover. Work with your chosen company to fill out the necessary paperwork and transfer funds. 8. Select gold products. Choose from IRS-approved gold products like bullion or coins that fit your retirement goals. 9. Secure storage. Ensure your gold is stored in an approved depository for security and insurance. 10. Monitor your investment. Regularly check your portfolio's performance and adjust as needed. Investing $80,000 in a gold IRA can be a strong step toward securing your retirement. Follow this guide and partner with top companies to navigate the process smoothly. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.